Subscribe for free learning videos. What shapes do we have? Square, circle, heart, cross, triangle, star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 cone, 2 cones, 3 cones, 4 cones. What colours are the cones? They are orange, blue, green, pink, yellow, heart, heart, triangle, triangle, star, star, square, square, cross, cross, circle, circle. This barn is red. This is red. This barn is orange. This is orange. This barn is yellow. This is yellow. This barn is green. This is green. This barn is teal. This is teal. This barn is pink. This is pink. This barn is blue. This is blue. This barn is purple. This is purple. This barn is grey. This is grey. This barn is brown. This is brown. I found something purple and shaky. What shape is this one? It's a square. It's a square. This one is completely round with one ball going round and round in the centre. What shape is this one? It's a circle. It's a circle. What shape is this one? This is called a heart. It's a heart. This is a heart. Let's stack the cones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orange cones. Green, blue, pink, yellow. What shape is this one? This one's shaky too. This is called a cross. This is a cross. Do you know what shape this one is? That's right. It's a triangle. This is a triangle. How about this shape? This is called a star. This is a star. What colours are they? Green, pink, blue, yellow, purple, orange. Orange face. Where's the orange egg? There it is. Yellow face. Where's the yellow egg? There it is. Pink face. Where's the pink egg? There it is. Green face. Where's the green egg? There it is. Blue face. Where's the blue egg? There it is. Purple face. Where's the purple egg? There it is. What colours are they? Orange, blue, red, yellow, green. Well done, everyone. Blue ring. Green ring. Pink ring. Yellow ring. 4 orange cones. Blue, green, pink, yellow. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Please subscribe for more videos.